Hi, this is URL. Are you ready to save time and streamline your work with Excel macros? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create powerful automation tools in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. We have this Excel file, and what we want to do is to insert two rows after every other four rows. We want to do this with the VBA macro, but we don't quite remember how to do this macro. ChatGPT will help us. Before using it, you have to create an account. It's free and very simple. After you create it, you just write your question here. So the question will be create a macro in Excel that inserts two rows every other four rows, starting with the fifth row of the current worksheet, and run it. And magic happens. ChatGPT starts to explain us every step what we have to do. Even if you are a beginner, you will be able to do this. Okay? It says what to do. Open the Visual Basic window, write the code, okay, then run the macro. Outstanding. Now let's try it. We just copy this, okay? Go to Excel, Alt F11. We open Insert Module, okay? And here we write the code that ChatGPT gave us, and we run it. And let's see what happened. We have two rows inserted, starting with after the fifth row, but ChatGPT calculated every six rows, not four. So ChatGPT will not give you the perfect solution always from the start. You will have to put additional clarifications, or if you know the programming language at a basic level, you can adjust the code. So now we can, instead of step 8, we put step 6. And let's see. We run it and let's see. Now finally, we have the perfect solution with two rows inserted after every other four rows. From my point of view, this tool is amazing. Even it is in a test phase, you see that it gives you a good answer, even if not perfect. You can customize it, and this helps you a lot if you know the basics of the programming language. Thank you for joining me on this journey to learn more about Excel macros with ChatGPT. I hope you feel more confident in your ability to automate your work in Excel. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, happy automating.